Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 2, The Appearance of the Buddha. At that time, another great enlightening being in the assembly, named wisdom-like fragrant flame-light illumining everywhere, empowered by the Buddha, looked over the 10 directions and said in verse, "The enlightening beings in this assembly enter the Buddha's inconceivable state, each able to see all the Buddha's spiritual powers. The body of knowledge can enter the atoms of every land, perceiving bodies therein, seeing all the Buddhas, like reflections appearing in all worlds where all the Buddhas are. In each and every one they reveal miraculous deeds. The practice of vows of universally good they have developed clear and pure. They are able to see in all lands Buddha's miracles everywhere. They physically dwell in all places, equanimous in all. With knowledge capable of such action, they enter the Buddha's realm. Having realized enlightened knowledge, they illumine the cosmos equally, filling into the Buddha's pores, fitting into the Buddha's pores the oceans of all worlds. In all Buddha lands they manifest mystic powers, appearing in various bodies with various names as well. They can, in an instant's time, show miracles everywhere, truly awakening at the sight of enlightenment and turning the wheel of truth. All lands, wide and vast, billions of ages, inconceivable, can be shown in a moment's span in the enlightening being's concentration. Each and every enlightening being in all the Buddha lands is in the Buddha body, boundless without limit. Excuse me. Then another great enlightening being in the assembly, named Lion-Stretch Wisdom Light, empowered by the Buddha, looked over the 10 directions and said, Vairochana Buddha can turn the wheel of truth in all the lands of the cosmos, filling it like clouds. In all the great oceans of worlds in all the 10 directions, Buddha's power of mind and will turns the wheel of truth. In the vast assemblies of beings in all lands, his names are not the same. He expounds the truth according to need. Buddha's majestic powers were made by the vows of universal goodness and wisdom. In all lands, that wondrous sound reaches everywhere.